Friday, August the 5th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here, and the weather on the Ones Forecast Center. Let's take a peek here at one of the cameras at CAROWINDS on the south side of Charlotte near the North and South Carolina border. That is a look down toward the Carolina Harbor Water Park. And is a quiet and very humid start to the day. And temperature missing from that specific temperature station, but most of us in the 70s here across the Piedmont. I'll show you that in just a second. Look at all the heat through the plains into the southeastern part of the country. Now, we again yesterday in many locations in the Carolinas had a break from the heat due to extensive clouds, northeasterly flow, and some showers at times. Here's the Carolinas high temperatures: 87 in Raleigh and Charlotte, 90 in Fayetteville and Columbia, only 81 in Greensboro. And again, the foothill areas in the Triad viewing area only in the 70s yesterday afternoon. Down around the Charlotte area, a good bit warmer, mid and upper 80s in most spots. There is our Thursday afternoon rolled along, although it was 70s for Hickory and Statesville. Here we go this morning. A lot of 70s on the board. Boone is 66. Outside of Boone, many spots in the 70s, many dew point temperatures up into the 70s. So it is certainly a very, very muggy start to our day once again. Now, as we went through yesterday, we had areas of very slow-moving showers and a few thunderstorms out there across the region. Had some pockets of locally heavy rainfall, and that continued on into the evening hours in some spots. Again, the greatest concentration during the morning was in the mountains and the foothills, and then you had a pretty good area of showers and a few thunderstorms in South Carolina, working up into parts of North Carolina as we went through the evening and the overnight hours. Now, these are 3-day rain totals. It's been a pretty wet period here over the last 72 hours. Now, obviously, some exceptions, a little bit of a minimum of precipitation near and north of Charlotte and east of Raleigh. But in general, pretty good about a bit of rain in many spots, and in some instances, such as there in eastern Surry County, way too much rain. It caused some big flooding problems. Now, back in the Plain States, you have this area of rain and storms in Illinois, into Missouri and Kansas, Oklahoma. That's along a front that'll play a role in our weather this weekend. This morning, just again, a similar setup to what we had yesterday. Clouds, a few showers working through. One such shower moving through Greensboro here during the 5 o'clock hour, again, as I cut the video this morning. So here's the deal today. I think we're looking at a scattering of showers and thunderstorms, more of a southerly component to our wind direction today as this front begins to wash out. And so that's going to mean a little bit more of an unstable air mass. So scattered showers and more in the way of thunderstorms today than what we've had over the last couple of days. Here's the high resolution rapid refresh. There you go. You get the idea. This is a scattering of showers and thunderstorms here as we roll through today, especially this afternoon. Not a huge severe weather day, but a couple of the storms could produce some damaging wind gusts here as we go through this afternoon and into this evening. A little warmer today than yesterday. There's our Friday highs. Still manageable, but a little bit warmer in many spots than where we were yesterday. Now, as we get into the weekend, your Saturday will be a hotter day. This cold front approaching from the northwest, probably a few late-day storms, but a lot of us, I think, with a dry Saturday. And then we get into a little bit of a chance for thunderstorms starting Saturday evening and Saturday night. But here's your highs tomorrow, certainly back into the heat across the region. Now, as we get on out into Sunday, that front pushes to the south of most of North Carolina, and we see areas of showers and storms kind of congeal and form near this front. So it may be the Virginia border areas north of I-40 have very little rain Sunday, but the chances ramp up the further south you go. And there's our Sunday high temperatures across the region. Same basic setup then with that front to the south of us, which I'll show you more on that in just a second for Monday and Tuesday. All right, tropical update time. We have Earl barely clinging to tropical storm intensity, centered right about there near the Bay of Campeche's border with Mexico. Here's the 5 a.m. Eastern Time advisory for Earl. And again, 40 miles per hour for your sustained winds, moving west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. And this will continue to move back into Mexico and weaken and fall apart. Rain continues to be the big threat with this, rain and mudslides there through the mountainous Mexican terrain in coming days. Now, let me show you what's happening in the upper levels of the atmosphere. This little weakening disturbance moving in, helping to provide us with pretty good chances today for scattered thunderstorms. And then notice this little cutoff piece of energy down around Florida. This is on the European model Monday, and then this is out on Wednesday. That kind of meanders around the southeast, and exactly where this sets up shop will play a big part in determining the greatest coverage of rain chances next week. Today, this is the GFS, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Tomorrow, very late in the day, you have the chance of some storms working in with that cold front. And then that front's to the south. So again, Sunday, Northern North Carolina may be largely dry. And this is Monday. Same basic idea. You get some wedging going on from the northeast, though, so temperatures Monday and Tuesday cooler. Northeasterly flow, some chances for showers and storms around. And you see this is the deal Tuesday. Still some wedging, still clouds, still shower and thunderstorm chances. Now you go Wednesday, and the temperatures begin to heat up. But still, we're going to keep the chance for scattered storms in the forecast for Thursday and Friday next week as temperatures begin to climb back to near, maybe even a little bit above average by late in the work week. So that's how things look. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Hey, have a great weekend, and God bless.